Let's get started. So from the launch screen of Vasoolbook app, you find all your customer and vendor being listed. In order to add a new customer or vendor, click on the Add Party button at the end of the screen. This will ask you whether you want to add a customer or a vendor. Now in the Add Customer page, you need to fill all the required and mandatory details, starting from the customer or the business name. You can also search your customer detail from your phone book by clicking on the Search Phone Book option. Now once you have done added customer or the business name, enter their phone number. In order to save your customer details to your phone book, check on the Save to Phone Book checkbox. To add more information to your customer profile, click on the plus icon that opens the More Information section. Here you can find the email address, GSTIN and billing or shipping address fields. Fill all the necessary details. If you want to add a separate shipping address to your customer, uncheck this Shipping Same as Billing Address checkbox. Now, in order to add an opening balance to your customer, click on the plus icon that opens the opening balance section. Here you need to choose whether it's a debit balance or a credit balance. Enter the appropriate amount. And that's it. After entering all the details for your customer, click on Save and your customer details will be saved successfully. To view a customer or a vendor, from the party list, choose the customer or vendor that you need to view. You can also search for them by using the search icon to the top right. On the View Customer page, you can find the Transaction tab that lists all the transaction history of your customer. Under the Profile tab, you can find all your personal details of your customer, followed by which you can add custom fields to your customer by clicking on the plus icon. In order to add a new custom field, you can click on the settings icon to the top right. Click on Add Custom Field button at the end of the screen and enter your custom field name. The custom field can range from PIN code of your customer or alternate phone number of your customer. So going back to the previous page, you can enter the details of the custom field. So the custom fields will be updated clicking on Submit. You can find the updated custom field details under the Profile tab of your View Customer page. You can also contact your customer through phone or WhatsApp or SMS by clicking on either of these three icons. To remind your customer of pending balances or any other transactions, you can contact them through WhatsApp by clicking on this Remind Customer button. So in Vasoolbook, you get to see your customer statement in a PDF format, and here you need to click on the View Statement option to view your customer statement. So the customer statement is displayed as a PDF. You can choose a custom range for which the customer statement should be displayed by clicking on this option and choosing the appropriate range. You can also download, share or print as PDF your customer statement. So going back to the previous page, that is the View Customer page. There are two important features on the View Customer page, that is the Quick Sale and Quick Payment. So in order to add a quick sale to your customer, click on the Quick Sale button and fill in the details like invoice date, select items if you want to, and enter the sale amount. To choose a payment collected mode for your sale amount, check this checkbox and choose the appropriate payment mode. If you do not want to send a transaction SMS to the party, kindly uncheck this checkbox. Once you're done, click on Create Sale. Your sale will be updated successfully under the Transactions tab. Now adding a quick payment is similar to adding a quick sale. Click on the Quick Payment button and this will ask you whether you want to add a payment in or a payment out. So clicking on Payment in, you need to fill in the payment date the payment collected and choose a payment mode. And if you do not want to send a transaction SMS to the party, or if you want to send a transaction SMS to the party, just check or uncheck this checkbox accordingly. So click on proceed and click on confirm button to confirm the SMS confirmation, and that's it. Your payment will be made for your customer, and you can find all the sale and payment details under the transactions tab. Another highlight feature of the view customer page is the plus icon that is located between the quick sale and the payment, that allows you to add payment in or payment out, or create a sale invoice or quotation, or create a rough estimate, or start a POS bill for your customer. This feature is handy, isn't it? Now, in order to edit a customer or vendor, select them from the parties list. Click on the three-dot icon to the top right on the view customer page and click on edit customer. So here you can find all the existing details of your customer, update the details and click on save. This will update your customer detail. Now, to delete a customer or a vendor, choose them from the parties list. Click on the three-dot icon to the top right and select delete customer. This will prompt you to whether you want to delete the customer. Click yes to do so. Your customer will be deleted successfully. Other highlights of the parties module is the YouTube icon to the top right, where we have listed all the demo videos for your reference. The top right hamburger icon opens up the filter or sort by options. You can select the appropriate options and click on apply to view the changes. So that's it with the party management in Vasoolbook. More interesting and informative videos are on the way, so kindly subscribe to Vasoolbook. Thank you.